Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 24th of January 2023. Today is the third day of Chinese New Year. 恭喜发财. Okay, so today we got a slightly special program. Okay, today we want to talk about this gold and silver and Bitcoin. So these are what people call hedge against inflation. Okay, so when the inflation is high, so potential, these are kind of asset will have a keen interest by this investor so because inflation going up, your cash, if you keep a lot of cash, right, okay, because inflation go up, okay, cash, the value at the cash drop, right, okay, let's say you are holding $100 now, okay, initially your $100 you can buy item A. Let's say you can buy a phone, this phone, because inflation, okay, your this phone now, okay, it costs 100 after inflation, inflation goes up 4%, 5%, after 2-3 years, okay, after a few years, this phone may be selling at 110, okay, 110, right? But let's say you put this money, okay, this money into your fixed deposit, okay, only get 1%, okay, so after a few years, your 100 ringgit only become 103 ringgit, okay, your 100 ringgit after you put in the bank, okay, become 103 ringgit, okay, but the handphone already, this same handphone, exact same handphone, okay, already reached 110, okay, so your money, okay, drop because of inflation, right? So people say want to hedge because they want to put this money into something that actually grow faster than inflation. Let's say if such an asset, it can grow let's say 7%, okay, 7% per year lah, or let me see, maybe 5%, okay, so inflation goes at 3-4%, right, 3-4%, okay, so after 2 years, okay, after a few years lah, okay, this handphone, they say you put $1,000, you buy certain asset, you buy gold, okay, if the gold perform well lah, if the gold perform well, after 3 years, okay, you put the money into gold, okay, you want to buy the same phone, this phone actually goes to 110, okay, after a few years lah, because of inflation, the spare part all become expensive, 110, but if you keep cash, your cash become 103. But let's say if you put into this asset, let's say gold, okay, gold actually went up higher, okay, 5% each year. So now you actually get back 115. You sell your gold that you bought now it's worth 115. Means now I surplus, I got more. I pay for the same phone, okay, same phone, but I still get I still got change. I still got more money than how do you call it? I still got more money after even buying the same phone. Still got a change lah. Means I'm surplus. Means that's why they say hedge against inflation. So you want to put a lot of people put their money into certain assets. Of course, they are risky one. They are not so risky one. So today we just talked about some not so risky one, which is gold or silver. And we want to talk about this very risky one, which is digital currency, a Bitcoin, a cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. Okay, so this is only my idea, okay, and my speculation. There's no investment advice. There is no expert advice, no consultant advice. This is based on what I know, okay, and what I think, what I know, and I just shared it with you. Okay. So before that's why we have to go through a disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, so before the first thing we want to take a look is gold. Okay, gold. Okay, gold. Okay, gold recently we noticed, right? Gold has been on the this one on how do you call it, on the rampage. Okay, on the rampage, shooting up non-stop. I keep on waiting for it to drop. It never drop. It keep on going over 1,000, 1,008. You know, 1,008, 1,009. You know, it never stop. You know, so this gold, right? What are the forecasts? What are the forecasts for 2023? We, of course, this guy Gary Wagner, this guy is quite famous. He is one of the gold predictor, gold forecast guy. You know, in this news that he talks a lot of gold, and he always make a lot of prediction, which is quite accurate Okay, quite accurate So he is talking about 2003, 2002, 2003, 2004 gold this year Okay, but how do you call it? Conservative, he put it 2002 to 2003 So want to take a look at the chart how actually this what is the current condition, current chart, what it show. Okay, what are the possibility to get in? You know, how far it can go. Okay, so before that we want to take a look at of course the gold chart, because we talk about chart here Okay, gold okay, what happened to gold was that last year, remember last year, okay, September onwards, okay, it did a double bottom here. I highlighted here, okay, I highlighted the double bottom and the breakout, okay, and the breakout of this channel, okay. After that, gold started to rise, okay, with the red color momentum, okay, red color momentum, okay. So this is where the breakout started, and it started non-stop, okay, it started non-stop. After the breakout, okay, non-stop 15%. Because gold you don't expect to be very volatile. Already went up 15%. Okay, so what is the what this Gary Wagner what he expect Wagner here. Okay, 2002. Okay, 2002 to 2003. Okay, this area. This area. This is 2002 to 2003. Okay, so we're expecting gold to come to here on a 2023. Okay, now you see this gold has been going non-stop. Okay, it definitely I think it's about time okay, for it to retrace we want to wait for a retracement. Okay, a retracement back. Hold on okay, now buying now is too high, because why? RSI already overbought, and you know, it really went up for so long. Okay, this push okay, it never rests. One rest, of course, from the breakout it got one rest. It continued to go up to now. It never stopped Okay, you see auto profit never sell signal. You know, no sell signal until now. Okay, so if there's sell signal, behind the potential wait for a drop. Okay, wait for a drop. Most likely it will drop to these two level. 1865 or 1798. Or I would prefer it go down to 1798. Okay, 1798. So these are the potential area. Okay, if you want to buy, but don't buy now it's too high These are the two area which, if I want to buy gold buy gold and keep okay, I will look for these two area. 1008. Okay, 1008. Okay, 1008 to 1865. These are the two areas. Okay, so what are the potential for the gold? Okay, let's say it do end up 2023 at 2002. Okay, this Wagner price in prediction, let's say it dropped to 1801 1008 Okay, what are the potential? Okay, 22%. The potential is 22%. If it goes up to 2003, it's 28%. Okay, Of course, I said, right, you buy gold, right, okay, you keep it, the gold, or you buy it through the investment bank, all those buy gold, you know lah, bank got sell gold now you can go through investment bank, you can buy gold. You don't need to buy the physical gold and keep okay, you don't need to buy. There is ETF, you know, there are ETF and there are bank also okay, except this how they call it, gold trust or something you buy the gold, going through the bank okay, you buy the gold, okay, so there is potential you can hit, okay, 22 to 29%, okay, for 1 year, okay, for 20 over % gold is quite a lot and of course, if you buy, anyone that buy gold anything happen also war, whatever okay, you just huddle the gold, hug the gold, you can sleep if there's war, if there's global crisis, you're holding stock market, okay, risk on asset, you're holding Bitcoin, sure you cannot sleep you're holding a lot of Bitcoin, let's say you're holding a few $100,000 worth of Bitcoin, definitely you cannot sleep especially when you hear this FTX go bust this exchange Genesis go bust all these things definitely you cannot sleep. But you're holding gold you're holding a few 100,000 gold, you will not miss your sleep even though war whatever so this is risk off asset okay, and also the people call it a hedge against inflation okay, depend how you look at it okay. So potential, okay, for me, if I want to add again if I want to buy again, I will buy it now, okay. I will definitely wait for a drop first there's no choice it's just too high, you know. I'm not saying this one you got no chance, even you buy it now also, right, if it potential can go to this Wagner price, you still get 13%, but it's very little, 13%. That's why we potential wait for a drop first this is gold for gold, if I want to buy a gold okay, want to buy gold, I will definitely wait for a drop first, sell off due to some, you know, market, there are news suddenly there are some news, escalation of war, whatever come, you know, or whatever this suddenly this emergency news come out, definitely there will be some drop some drop I doubt that it can hold, never drop until 2002. I don't think so I don't think so. I think they will drop. We want to buy this one, wait for the drop 1860 area or 1800 area I would definitely look for that. Okay, look for silver. Okay, silver. Okay, silver. Okay, silver, we got some news here. Okay, global silver, the Silver Institute okay, so this one is an institute that cover silver study the silver so you see silver, right, there is something happening in the silver market okay, you see this silver demand rising to higher at 2022 okay, so this is the global supply, silver supply and demand, okay, global silver supply and demand. Let me make it bigger. Let me see, I can make it bigger. Okay, so this one bigger. Okay, so you see what happened, right? Okay, 2012, 2013, 2014. Okay, these are million ounce. These are the production, supply. Okay, these are supply and these are the demand. Okay, so up to 2023 estimated Okay, so the supply is 1,008, 1,000 over. Now it has been dropping 959, 2020, 2021 998, and 2022 up a bit 1,017. So it's stagnant okay, it's around 900 over to 1,000. Okay, 1,000 something. Okay, 1,000 something. Okay, so production is not going higher. Okay, but you see the demand okay, the demand okay, is going higher. Okay, 97 to 1,000 to 900 over. Now you see it actually went up to 1,046. Okay, and 2022 estimate 1,210. Okay, what happened now at these 2 years? Okay, this 2 years, what happened now? Okay, you see the supply starting to be below the demand. Initially, supply is always above demand, right? Supply always above demand. Okay, supply is always above demand. Okay, now supply is starting to go below demand, and demand has been going to 1002, is going up lah. Okay, so demand is going up. Okay, supply is going down. Supply is going down, right? Going down, flat lah. I didn't call it going down lah. Demand is going up, supply is flat. Okay, so potential. Okay, there's a potential lah. Just not investment advice lah. Okay, just an idea lah. Okay, potential. This one, the demand, the production you see after so many, it just cannot go any higher lah. It just this one 2020 2021 drop because what? Because COVID, right? Even after COVID also the production cannot go much higher, right? So it's always stagnant, but the demand okay, has been pushing up suddenly. So there is reason why the demand went up. Okay, why the demand went up Okay, here, industrial. Okay, industrial actually starting to go up above 500. Industry also more. Okay, silverware, of course, all these even more lah. Jewelry also more. Okay, jewelry also more. But you see, industry already started to go higher. Why? Okay, I was information that I hear lah. Okay, these are how do you call it green energy product uses silver. Okay, uses silver. Okay, what green energy product which now the world right is pushing towards clean energy. So electronic vehicle lah, EV lah, these solar panel lah, all these things right actually uses silver. Okay, so now they are pushing up more and more solar panel, more and more EV. Okay, that's why the industry area is pushing up lah. Okay, so and from what we see okay, production now starting to below the demand. Okay, supply starting to dip below the demand. So there is a potential. I'm not saying it guarantee will happen. There is a potential that this silver, okay, the price will starting to go up, because now silver is still cheap. That's why I want to talk about it first before it goes up. Like gold already go up. Okay, gold, we want to chase this, we want to chase the drop. Okay, for gold it already pump up very high, so we want to buy now, we want to wait for a drop. Hopefully there is a drop. Okay, but silver not yet. Okay, silver is still okay. No doubt it's starting to have a rebound, right? Silver, you see okay, silver it got triple bottom. Okay, then it start to rebound. Okay, but it's not very far yet. Okay, it's not very far yet because you see it haven't actually break out from here. Okay, but the demand already come already. I mean the buyers already come in to buy up already. Already starting to buy up. Okay, so what I see in silver, right? Okay, silver is still on a downtrend. Okay, silver is still on a downtrend. Okay, silver is still on a downtrend. Wait, the chart is a bit out. Let me see what is wrong with the chart. Okay, correct. Okay, so silver has been on a downtrend. Now it's on the edge of breaking out. Okay, means it's trying to break out this downtrend. Okay, at 24. 24 is the very important area. Okay, 24 is very important area. It has been dropping for quite some time. Now it's at this trend line. Okay, it's trying to break out this trend line. Okay, so we know that now the supply run below the demand already. Okay, so we expect okay this silver price to go up, but don't expect this to happen overnight. Okay, this might take many years, a few years maybe. Okay, a few years to run the cost. Okay, so if silver managed to break out above 24 and hold above 24, okay, so I think there is a potential for it okay, to go potential for it to go even to 34. Why I say 34? Because you see, this is a bull flag. Okay, if you look at the chart analysis, okay, so this is a bull flag. Okay, it's a flag pattern, right? You can see, okay, this is a flag pattern. Okay, so now if it can break out over here, okay, so we measure the flagpole, okay, from here to there, okay, from here to there, here, when you measure up here, okay, so it's to 34, okay, 34. So potential, if it can break out from here, okay, we are looking at somewhat at okay, 45% potential. I'm not saying this will guarantee happen. So there are many things that can change the cost of demand of this supply and demand. They possible, war, possible COVID, COVID 3 now is what, 3.0 or 4.0 already. All these things happen, lockdown again, it might change the cost. But if the current condition remain, okay, so this is after a breakout, okay, these are the possibility that it can come to here, okay, 34. So now I'm looking for this to break through, then okay, there's potential to, okay, hold silver for maybe you need a few years to do so, okay, potential 40%. Okay, for gold not so much for gold the next year view, okay, Wagner, okay, Gary Wagner, if he forecast come through, is 20%. Okay, so now we want to see Bitcoin. Well, Bitcoin we are looking for 100% one because it's a very high risk one. Very high risk. Because gold and silver industry will need it, jewelry will need it, it's a lot of things will need it. Bitcoin, all this is exotic they call it exotic something means it doesn't actually produce much of anything except some game, all this entertainment thing. Bitcoin doesn't. Ethereum, all those, it got used Ethereum, they got used for staking this and that, a lot of things but Bitcoin is just purely holding only Okay, so Bitcoin, what I noticed I want to tell you Bitcoin okay, a bit of story about Bitcoin okay. So we know that the recent 2 Bitcoin spike, right? Okay, it's 2015, right? 2015. Okay, the first spike was 2015 here. Okay, yeah, Bitcoin. The recent 2 Bitcoin rally, I mean Bitcoin, how do you call it? Bitcoin rally the big spike the big spike where Bitcoin from very low hit to very high, then come back down The recent 2 was 2015 and 2019. Okay, so we want to see 2015. What are some of the symptoms okay, before it skyrocket, before it went up very high, okay, before it went up a few 100%. Okay, so you see after a previous high, right, okay, Bitcoin will start to drop. Okay, it will create this one downtrend trend line. Okay, it will create a downtrend trend line. Okay, downtrend trend line. Okay, so what happened okay, after Bitcoin okay, broke through a downtrend, after a high is coming drop after a push, a top means a top means it go very high, going very high, then it drop back. Okay, so what happened to Bitcoin was it will do a long-term retracement. It will drop a long-term retracement, okay, from the high. Okay, okay, it will drop around 400 over days means 1 year plus. Okay, it will drop 1 year plus. Okay, 1 year plus. Okay, 1 year 490 almost 1 year and a half 1 year plus. What happened? Okay, after 1 year plus, it will break out. Okay, from this downtrend, it will do a breakout. Then okay, it will start to sideways, and what happened? It created a bottom. Okay, means after a long-term breakout, after over 1 year, after a breakout of this downtrend, okay, it will not drop lower than this, okay, this prior price 174, okay. Then after that, okay, it will go stagnant a while, then it will start the uptrend, okay, it will start the uptrend. What is a first indication of an uptrend is a cross between 89 and a 200 moving average, 89 and 200 moving average. Okay, so this is a mark of a start of a rebound, okay, and okay, from here, from the cross, okay, it did 700%, 800%, okay. So after a top, it come down again, okay, it start to come down, okay, so the top come down, okay. So you see 463 days, okay, it start to do a breakout, okay, it start to break out from a downtrend channel, long-term downtrend channel, it start to break out. After breakout, it never dropped below the previous low, okay, okay. Then the uptrend started, okay, a real mark of the uptrend started when the 89 crossed 200, okay, so it started the uptrend, okay, uptrend, okay. But this is a short one, this is a 2019 one, okay. It went up. It's not a short one. This is actually quite long. It went up. Actually, it went down. It crossed a few more times. But you see, it never actually dropped back below the price that, okay, on the breakout. The price of this breakout. Okay, the price of this one. It never came back down. Okay, it never came back down. Then this will be the start of the next bull run. The next bull run. Okay. So now, this time, this year. Okay, this year 2015, 2019. Okay, now is 2023 lah, okay, 2023 okay. So there is a top, okay, from a top towards a breakout, okay. This one haven't actually reached this 400 over days, is 344 days lah, 344 days okay, from the highest top lah. Okay, let me see this one, okay. I think we better use this stop lah, okay, okay. So 344 days. So it's not yet there lah. You calculate the timing lah. It's not yet there, okay. But you see it did make it not yet there, but almost there lah, okay. So what it did, okay. So you see after it break out, right? After it break out, okay. After it break out from this trend line. Yeah, this one, sorry, I think this one correct, not that one, okay, this trend line, okay. So it make a low, okay. We now, what are the how okay, so the idea okay, the idea, we got two idea already of a next bull run, next uptrend, next bull run, okay. The first one, okay, it need to do a breakout after a long-term downtrend. You need to do a breakout. So it really did, okay. But last time it goes 400 over day. This time it didn't go through that 300 over day, but it's somewhere near there lah. It's not 100 day. It's not 150 day. So it's quite long-term. It really went there. Okay. So first the breakout, yes. Okay. The timing not so good. Okay. 50-50. We put it. Okay. So after that, the after breakout, did it actually break below this low? Okay, so that's why we have to see these two things, whether it happened or not. Okay, if these two things can hold, okay, probably this is the bottom already. Okay, it doesn't drop to this 10,000, which I really hope it drop to 5,000, it drop to 10,000. These are the two places that I hope lah. Because as I said it drop lower, the margin is better lah. The margin is better lah. 10,000 area, I will hope it go there, but I look likely it won't, okay, it won't, okay. But now, so what we want to see now, okay. So the first sign, the first one, yes, break through the downtrend, yes, one we got. Secondly, the duration, okay, the duration 50-50, okay, not so good. Okay, the third one, can this one hold? That's why we want to know. Secondly, can the 89 MA cross the EMA, 89 MA cross the 200 EMA? Okay, these are the two that we have to wait. Okay, if we get this one cross, okay, and the price, let's say after the cross, it will retrace, definitely it will not, okay, it will not keep on going all the time, okay. So if it does retrace, okay, can this bottom hold or not? Okay, if this bottom can hold, there is a likelihood 16,200, right? 93, likely this one, okay, if it manage to cross, okay, and this bottom, the next dip, okay, it doesn't drop below this bottom, then probably likely this is the bottom already, okay, this is the bottom. So then we have to start to average up, means any drop, buy, any drop, we buy, you know, because it goes in wave, right? So don't buy at the top here, any drop, you start to buy, okay, average up. I would like to average down. If it drop lower, of course I'm more happy. If it drop to 5,000, 10,000, I will, this one 5,000, I definitely will sapu, but market doesn't always happen like that. A lot of analysts, a lot of experts say it will go to 5,000, okay, which I hope, but market sometimes they don't do it, don't happen like that. But that's why we have to see, okay. So the higher probability now, what I want to wait is this one, the 89 cross 200. Okay, this is the, because every time, okay, the almost like we want to confirm the uptrend, after these two happen, after almost 1 year plus, okay, 1 year plus, okay, the consolidation, okay, from the drop, from the top drop, after 1 year plus, okay, 1 year to 1.5 year, okay, it start to break out from a channel, start to break out from a downtrend trend line, then it never make another lower bottom, okay, then this cross will mark the, okay, this cross, this 89 to 200 cross, you mark the start of the next uptrend, okay. Hopefully, okay, this one will cross, okay. If it doesn't cross, then it might not have, this uptrend might not be a long term one, maybe just short term before it drop again. So we want to wait and see, okay, whether this happen or not, this happen or not, okay. So after cross, you see, right, a lot of red momentum, okay, after the cross, then so these are the some of what I'm watching, some of what the idea that I have behind Bitcoin, silver, and gold, okay. So that's it today. That's why I want to talk about a special program today, to talk about these few things, okay, that we discussed. Of course, this is no investment advice from the chart, from the news. So we generate an idea, okay. At least we have an idea what to do next, what to do, what to look forward to, you know. So okay, that's it for today. 恭喜发财. See you again tomorrow. Bye bye.